Hello everyone, this is Neelam and I welcome you all on Let's Know Science. In this video, we will talk about domestic animals and how they are helpful for us and how we should take care of them. So let's start. What are domestic animals? Well, when we talk about domestic animal, the animal that live near us in a farm in our home are called domestic animal. For example, dog, rabbit, goat, cow, sheep, pig. All these are animals comes in a category of domestic animals. Next is what we get from these animals and how domestic animals are helpful for us. Well, the major thing which we get from these domestic animals first comes is the milk. Milk is very essential for all of us. We get milk from cow, goat and buffalo. Milk is used to make many food items. For example, cheese, curd, butter and ice cream. I love to eat ice cream, the milk product. A part of this milk, we get eggs from domestic animals like hen, geese and ducks gives us egg, and these eggs are used to make many food items. For example, cake, omelette, toast and pastry. We get so many things from the egg. We can make so many things from the egg, and these were the example. Next we came is on the basis of eating habits, people are divided into two categories, that is vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarian are those who eat food that we get from the plants, and non-vegetarian peoples are those who eat the food that we get from the animal like meat, chicken, goat and fish. Many people are vegetarian. They eat chicken, fish and mutton as a food and they are called non-vegetarian. Some people like to eat seafood. What is this seafood? Fish, crab, prawn and so many animals live in sea are eaten, and these animals are called sea animals, and this food is called seafood. So, fishes, crab and prawns are eaten by people as a seafood. A part of these things we get wool, silk and leather from animals. So, we can say domestic animals are very helpful for us. They gives us many things. First thing come is the wool. We get wool from sheep. As you can see in the picture, sheep have fleece on their body. This man is shaving these fleece, and these fleece are used to make wool. When we get wool fiber, after knitting, the wool fiber is converted into a sweater or a shawl. A part of it, we get silk from silkworm. How we get silk from silkworm, you can see in the picture. The silk moth lay their eggs on the leaf of the plant on which it lived. This silk moth is converted into a worm shape which is called silk moth. This silk moth with their saliva make a egg-like structure which is called cocoon. This cocoon contains a fibrous structure which is used to make a silk fiber from which we get silk cloth. If we will not use this cocoon, it will develop into a silk moth. There are so many animals whose skin is used to make leather, and these animals are skin of snake, crocodile, buffalo and camel is used to make leather, and leather is very essential and it is used to make many items. For example, belt, shoes, purse and briefcase. We use many leather items in our daily life. As you have seen that your father used to tie a belt in their waist. So belt, shoes, purse and these briefcase we get from leather, and leather we get from domestic animal skin. Next is that these animals are very helpful for us in many ways. First is oxen. Oxen is used in farming. They are used to draw water from the wells also, plug field and pull carts. So oxen is very helpful and they are called friends of farmer also. A part of this oxen, horse, camel and elephant is used for riding. They are also helpful in carrying loads. So domestic animals are very helpful for us. Next we come is the animal need care and shelter. As we know, domestic animals help us in many ways, so we should take care of them. On the basis of their living, domestic animals are divided into two, that is farm animal and pet animal. Farm animals are those animals that are raised in farm for use, such as to get things from them, and are called farm animal. We make their houses. For example, we make stable for horse, shed for cow and stay for pig. So these are the domestic animal which raise in farm and they are helpful for us. Next category is the pet animal. Domestic animals like dog, cat, bird, fish, etc. are kept at home for our comfort and joy. They are called pet animals. They bring us a sense of responsibilities and compassion. We take care of them so that they are happy. I hope everything is clear to you about the domestic animal. If you like this video, then press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.